Ready? All right. Find the hot dog.
All right, we got everybody ready. Everybody ready, Sam? You tell me. Go! Eat your pie. Let's go. You got 60 seconds to eat your pie. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Dig in.
I'm good.
Come on. Lovely pudding pie. I should have played Lick It Up right about now. Good old Kiss song. All right. Come on. Dig in, dig in, dig in. How many more seconds left? How many got?
Go, Dan. You're behind us.
You got 30 seconds left. Dig, 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 dig. Come on. You got 30 seconds left. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Come on. 30 seconds left. You got less than 30 seconds. I'll give you a 15 count. Give me the 15 count, Sam. You got 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Give me 5. Sam, give me a 5. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Eat it up, eat it up, eat it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody up off your pies. Judges, give me a winner. All right, the official decision of the judge is... What do we got over here? Hold on, I think I got his name. Let's see if I can remember his name.
Oscar.
I believe is it Joey? Oscar. That's right. Oscar is the winner. Give him a big round of applause. Go, Oscar. All right.